Alright, so no rest for the wicked. We're going to head out to the military museum and fix up a couple of things today. So we're going to again take the 4x4 with the door tops off and go for a bit of a drive and see what we can do. Hopefully I'll get some interesting B-roll shots on the way there and make for an interesting video. Alright, it's a bit windy today and did a quick pit stop to fix the computers out here. So it's interesting stuff. Looking for some bits and pieces of video here to keep the channel busy. And there's going to be an air show out here in March, so that'll be interesting. We'll be probably have some good footage for that. Anyway, it's time to get back on the road.